Bulletproof Traders, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Crypto Trade of the Day. It is Friday morning on this side of the planet. And I want to talk about the Ripple. It's an existing position that we have. We did take quite a lot of profit already. And we're waiting for price action to give us that green light to engage with more trades. Basically, we're looking to add more trades into this position. There's only one last trade that I left open. So we took a lot of profit when price action was starting to turn around a couple of days ago, right off the top of 230. We knew that was a local key resistance, and I thought price action was going to turn around and make it all the way to the lower section, and I thought I'm going to be able to bring all those trades that I closed out, taking profit, bring them back in a much more attractive level. And that's where we are right now. We're actually waiting for price action to break through to 23.82. That's the trigger. That's a very short-term trigger, but we're going to use that in our long-term position because we do have kind of a medium, I would say medium-term position, because we're aiming at, where we're focusing on 240, 237, but we got our eyes on 266.50 as well, and that is actually a long-term target. So we have a medium-term target and we have a long-term target, but we're also going to have a short-term target, which is going to be 227.36. Once we initiate a new trade here, we're probably going to get out of it at 227.36, but we'll keep the position alive, right? And then of course we'll try to get more aggressive when price action starts to break above 230.52. That's when we're going to get really aggressive and build up a bigger size position going to 240, 237. That's our primary target, but like I said, it's not our final destination. It's primary target but not final destination. We're going to have a new target. We're going to introduce a second target when the time is right. And then we're going to be talking about 266.56. So basically, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart right now because price action already got rejected from 23.82 just a couple of hours ago we're talking about. And I don't think it's going to give up on the attempt to break above and cross over. So I'm just giving it some more time because I want to see where it's going to go. Once it starts to close the distance back to 223.82, because right now it's on the back foot, right? This particular session, 4-hour session bar, right now on the back foot. I don't think it's going to go too far. I don't think it's going to go too low. And I think at some point it will start to close the distance back to 223.82, and that's where we're going to have the breakout. So I'm going to try to be on top of it. And so once I see that behavioral change and price action starts to push forward, as it starts to cross over 223.82, I'll probably throw in a second trade here, right? A new trade. And then we'll just try to build it up as we go. But yeah, the upside potential is clear. There's a lot of upside potential. That's how it looks from the weekly perspective, by the way. Right? So it's already making its way towards the upper section. I'm talking about the black system right now. And it's just, I just think it goes through a local technical correction phase right now, but it's going to come back up. He smashed that 242.37. And eventually break through and go all the way to 266.56. Finish the job by solidifying a touchdown with 266.56, which it missed last time by a tiny fraction of margin. Right? It was so tight, so close, but it didn't make contact. So I'm thinking it will make contact on this move and solidify that touchdown with 266.56, potentially even go higher. But yeah, that's how we look at the situation right now with the Ripple, keeping a close eye on the 4-hour chart and waiting for the right moment to strike. And I feel like it's coming in the next few hours, next few sessions. So we'll see how it goes. All right, that's about that for this one. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.